Viacom18. Trouble continues to mount for Byju. The Corporate Affairs Ministry investigative arm has submitted a detailed report on the EdTech company. Sources say the report alleges financial irregularities and violations of over a dozen Companies Act provisions. Timsy is standing by now with more details. Timsy, take us through what we know on the report that has been submitted. Also, response from Byju.
Well, yes, as you rightly said, what we are learning from sources is that the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Regional Director has submitted a detailed report on Byju, and according to the report, the RD has alleged over a dozen of Companies Act violations and financial irregularities. The allegations are quite severe, and as we speak, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs is yet to study the report in detail, based on which it will take future course of action. Now, what could be a future course of action in such a case? The MCA or the Ministry of Corporate Affairs is the authority to decide whether to order an SFIO probe or give the probe to the DG investigation, that is the investigation arm of MCA, to look into these alleged violations. This sort of a decision is yet to be taken by the government, is what we understand from sources. Apart from that, when it comes to what the company has to say, well, Byju in a statement said that we are not privy to any report by the MCA or the contents thereof. However, we can confirm that there are no financial irregularities whatsoever in the affairs of the company. Insofar as the Companies Act is concerned, any observations are likely to be technical non-compliances which have already been duly disclosed in our audited financial statements. We await any formal communication from the MCA. So let's see what happens, how soon there's a decision from the government on this particular report and what are the details of the report. That is something that we'll have to wait and watch for.
Okay, Timsy, many thanks for joining.